In this video, I will show you two powerful trend following indicators that will make you rich. These tools can eliminate up to 95% of false trade entries, which no doubt will give you a massive advantage over the other market players. So I highly urge you to watch this video all the way till the end, because the information you're about to receive will affect your success in trading. If you're really looking to take your trading skills to the next level and make a sustainable career in the industry, you definitely need to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we're currently on the price of Ethereum versus USDT on the 5-minute time frame. And in order to add the first indicator to our chart, we need to come up to our indicators tab and type in bull, bear, power, void, which is this one here by Coffee Shop Crypto. The bull bear power void is a volume based oscillator. There are many oscillators out there, but the biggest problem with them is that they simply tell you whether you have volume to the upside or volume to the downside. This indicator though is very different because it's based on a study called the Volume Spread Analysis, or VSA. It is designed to be used as a secondary confirmation indicator, so make sure you're not using its signals for entering long and short trades. In order to learn how to use this indicator properly, we first need to understand what it consists of. So the first part I want to point out is the void. The void is a bullish and bearish cloud that extends from the center to the downside and to the upside. This is basically an average range of volume. Anything that appears to be closed inside of the void is usually a ranging volume, and it's simply not enough to break the trend. The next piece this indicator consists of is the MACD and the MACD signal lines. These lines basically tell us when the trend has a bullish or bearish momentum. For example, when both of the lines are above the zero level, the market is mainly controlled by bulls. And when the lines are below the zero level, the market is mainly controlled by bears. The indicator also comes with a histogram that changes color depending on the strength of the momentum. Notice when the price action is moving to the downside, the bars become red. On the other hand, when the price action is headed upwards, the bars are mainly colored in green. And the last piece this indicator consists of is our background. This background is super useful as it confirms a strong bullish or bearish momentum. The background becomes black. Obviously, this is not the best time to enter the trade, as the market participants show there's less interest in buying or selling the security. Okay, now we know what this indicator consists of. Let's now build a simple strategy with this tool. For this strategy, we need to install one more indicator, which is called the parabolic SAR, or you can type in PSAR, STEO, which is this one here. We are going to need to make a few changes to this, so if we double click on it and remove our PSAR, long start, short start, STE, and trade state filling. In our input section, we're just going to leave everything on default. This indicator will simply give us buy or sell signals, and the BBP void will filter out the bad ones. So for a long entry to be confirmed, the following conditions must be met. First, the indicator must issue a new buy signal. Second, at the time it issues a signal, the background on the BBP void indicator must be colored in green. And the third and final condition is to have at least 3 green bars in a row before the indicator reached its buy signal. So a long position will be opened on the close of our trigger candlestick. Our stop loss will be set at our most recent swing low. And as for the take profit, you can target 2 or even 3 times the risk. Also remember to move your stop loss to break even as soon as the market reaches a risk to reward ratio of 1:1. This way you will secure your profits and eliminate unnecessary losses. Okay, let's find some more valid signals. So here we have another 2 valid long entries that were successful. We see at the time the indicator received a signal to buy, the background on the BBP void was green in color, and we had 3 consecutive green bars. This is a really good sign that the bullish momentum is increasing and the market is more likely to move in our favor. Alright, now let's understand the short trades. So first we need to have a new sell signal from our parabolic SAR indicator. Second, the background on the BBP void must be colored in red. And third, by the time the parabolic SAR issues a new sell signal, the BBP void must form at least 3 consecutive red bars in a row. Obviously, this is just an example. You can build your own setup with this indicator. So yeah, definitely save it to your collection, because this is one of those tools that will make you a lot of money. Okay, now let's move on to indicator number 2. This is called the bull bear power trend. It's quite similar to the first one, but it does have some differences. The one that you're looking for is this one here by Dread Blitz. Okay, so the bull and bear power trend indicator helps you build an objective analysis of the trend. It basically tells you who's in control, bulls or bears. It consists of 2 lines, the green which you can see on the top. This one represents the bull power. When the line breaks above the upper band, which is set at 2, the upwards momentum in the market is increasing. And as soon as the green bar is printed on the indicator, a bullish trend is officially confirmed. The second line that you can see on the bottom represents the bear power. And when this line breaks below the lower band, this signals a potential start of a downtrend. And if the cross is followed by a red bar, a bearish trend is confirmed. If no bars are printed, this indicates an equal power between bulls and bears. Just like with the first indicator, you cannot be using these signals for trade entries. They can only be used to confirm the signals given by the first confirmation indicator. So here's the combination that I think works the best with this BBBT indicator. So the first confirmation, we've got our BB buy and sell indicator. By the way, the settings have been slightly modified. And for the second confirmation, I'm using the Laguerre RSI, and the settings are on default. So the rules for entering a short trade are as follows. First, the BB buy and sell indicator must issue a new sell signal. Second, at the time the signal is issued, the Laguerre RSI must cross below our 80 level. If the cross happens sooner or later, it cannot be considered as an entry signal. And the third condition is to have our red bar printed on the BBBT indicator. You'd be bringing your stop loss up towards your most recent swing high, and for the take profit target, you can target 1.5 times the risk. For a signal to go long, the opposite conditions must be met. First, a new buy signal must be printed from our BB buy and sell indicator. Second, at the time the signal is issued, the Laguerre RSI must cross above our 20 level. And the final condition is to have the green bar printed on our BBBT indicator. And the reason that I like this strategy so much is because we're not entering a long trade, for example, when the market is overbought. And the same is true for short trades. We're not entering into a position when the market is oversold. So all of these bad signals literally got eliminated. So I hope you understood both of these strategies. If you've any questions, please ask them down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. I love you all. Peace.